Good morning. So we're getting ready to head to the library. I got Adam here, who I just fed. Good morning. Tomorrow he is 5 months old. This big old chunka. There's Michael playing with his cars and his toys. We're getting you ready to go to the library, right, Michael? Yeah. I haven't taken them to the library in the longest time, so I figured I'll brave it today and see how they do at the library. We'll see. This little chunker over here is like, oh, you guys see that? He just spit up. Let me clean you up. My goodness, we got some babas in there. Okay. So my husband and I are going on a date night tonight. We weren't supposed to go on a date night. We were just gonna hang out with some people, but they wanted to hang out like way too late for us, and so we decided to cancel with them and make it into an early date night for us. Anyways, the two boys are gonna go with Michael's parents. They just came back from vacation, and we asked them to watch them for a couple of hours tonight, and they said yes. So I'm getting their stuff ready. Oh my gosh, guys, it's like, that's just like half of it right there. It's like they're gonna be gone for like a week or something. I swear, there's so much things that you have to pack. You have to pack extra clothes in case they get dirty. You have to pack, you know, towels and shampoo and all kinds of stuff. And I still have to get their toys ready, their bath stuff ready. Oh my gosh, it's just a lot when they're only gonna be gone for a couple of hours. Okay, let's get you guys ready. You guys ready to get ready? Really fast, and then you can continue playing. Hands up. Before we take off, I wanna take the covers off Michael's high chair and wash them so they're washing while we're leaving, while we're gone. So I'm gonna do that really quick and then we're gonna take off. Literally took us like 45 minutes to get out of the house. We go to the library, and the library is under construction and it's closed, so that sucks. So I came across the street to Dollar Tree. I need to buy a couple of things here, and then I'm gonna see if we can go to a different library because Michael over there is kind of excited to go to the library, and he's really bummed out that we can't go to this one. So I'm gonna see what other one close to us we can go to just burn a couple of hours, or not hours, I'm kidding, like 30 minutes, and then go home. It's like 4:30, and obviously we got home from the library. The boys went down for a nap. Well, Michael did. Adam went down for maybe like a 20-minute nap. It's like he knew that things were happening and he just wasn't gonna nap, you know? It's like he just knew, so he just didn't do it. Anyways, while he woke up, after he woke up, I just got ready. Michael and I are actually on a early-ish kind of day date. So we're going down to Belmont Shore, which is in Long Beach, and we're just gonna have dinner there, just walk around for a little bit. This is actually our second date night, right, Michael? Since Adam? Because the first one was our anniversary.
Yeah.
So this is actually our second date night. So that's pretty nice that we've actually had date nights. And
I think it is second.
yeah. And so today Michael's parents are watching the boys. We'll see how that goes. Hopefully they're good. I know Michael gets really jealous when there's like a lot of attention on his brother and not a lot on him. So I'm hoping that that he'll be okay. It makes me sad, you know? It makes me sad to think that he can be sad. Like, it might not even happen, but it makes me sad to think that.
You know, I was talking to my coworkers about how, like, you know, never in a million years would I have thought that kids can get stressed out and get anxious and get sad, and they don't even...
Hello, regression.
No, but I never, like, before big kids,
Yeah.
I would have never thought of that. That's not something that would have been even on my radar. And when I was talking about it, one of my other coworkers who doesn't have kids said, I never would have thought of that either. And maybe that's because I'm a guy and I don't think about things like that. But now I'm more aware of, like, you know, he is a person with his own, like, emotions. And he's at a critical age where he's understanding a lot of things, but not able to understand other things. Like, oh, I have a little brother, I'm happy, but why does everybody pay attention to him and not me?
Or,
like,
and not only that, but also all the changes happening.
Yeah, like why is there this baby crying all day long? Or not all day long.
Or
but,
like, when he starts school, well, why do I have to go away and Adam gets to stay home with mommy? You know, like that. That's what I'm thinking about. Like, how is that going to make him feel, you know? But anyways, I think these are worries that probably most parents have,
yeah,
I assume.
I would assume as well.
Anyways, yes, we are going on a date night, so we're taking you guys along with us. So we made it to a sports bar. We're getting dinner and a couple of drinks. Michael's making me get the big drink. I think he wants something, that's why. Look at me.
Come on, buddy, let me hold your hand. Hit it. Now we do this one. Good job, buddy.
Left hand. What did you make? What did you make? So cool! And it has your name on it? Yeah, here. Alright, so we just got back from Home Depot. We went to have a quick lunch, and then I also walked over to Target. I want to show you guys really quick what I got. So I got Michael these sippy cups. I noticed that his old cups were a little bit more expensive, but they created a lot of molds either on like the straw and like the inside where all the milk is. And no matter how much I cleaned it, it just like, it kept on coming back, or it was just there, and I just figured buy new ones. I mean, they're like $2 each, not a big deal. I also got some toothbrush covers. I love to use this because we put our toothbrushes in a drawer, and I like to use this so that, you know, it doesn't get contaminated or anything like that. And then we just got Adam his crib a couple of weeks ago, and his little chunky legs keep on getting caught within the lines, and so we figured that we'll buy this. I'm not a huge fan of the mesh liners, but I want to see how it's gonna work, and hopefully we'll be able to keep him safe. And then I picked up this, which was so cool. It's a little ice pack, and this is a sloth, and then this one says be fearless. Isn't that super cute, Michael? Super cute. It's super cute. It was in dollar spot. It was only $3. And then we go through these so much, so I picked up just some more Purell wipes. And then I got myself a shirt. It's inside out right now, but it's just like a muscle tee, and it's like a v-neck, and it has the cute little stripes. And then on the side it has these little straps right here, and I thought it was super cute, just like an everyday shirt, you know. It was only like 10 bucks or something like that, so I thought that was kind of cute. All right, so I need to get this little cabinet organized. This is Michael and Adam's cabinet with all of their stuff. And yesterday I went to Dollar Tree and I picked up these bins, so I'm gonna put everything in the bins, hopefully make it look a little better. Okay, so we got this bin full of snacks, this bin of plates, bottles, there are utensils and all that, and then this bin full of cloth just to clean them, bibs, stuff like that, burp cloths, all that. And then I have this bag of like extra pump and bottle things, and then this bin has my bag with my pump and all of that that I use on a daily basis. There we are, much better. That literally took me like 5 minutes. Daddy says you're just smarting and laughing, huh? Oh my gosh. Hi, silly boy. You're such a silly boy. You're so silly. Guess what? You're 5 months old today. You're a big old 5-month-old baby, huh? Oh my goodness. Look at those little chunky rolls. Oh my gosh, rolls and rolls. Oh my goodness, Mommy loves all those rolls. Yes, Mommy loves them. Hi. Oh, hi. Oh, hi. Mommy loves you. Look at these rolls, guys. Oh my god, don't you just want to bite those and kiss him? Oh my god, those big old rolls. Mommy loves your big old rolls. I love you. So, we haven't showed you, but we've been working on our yard. Michael's building a fence for us. Huh, Michael? Mm-hmm. He's so excited, and it looks really good. Let me show you guys. What? So our normal fence is just this like metal fence right here, and it's all chain fence? Chain link. Chain link fence all throughout our yard. But Michael is making this wood fence right here, and it looks already 1,000 times better. So good. I'm so excited to get it all done. So it's gonna go from here all the way around that way, all the way over there, and it's gonna look amazing. It's gonna make our yard look so much better. I'm so excited. We still need to stain it too. Oh yeah, we're painting it a different color. We're making it a little darker, so. Stain, not paint. But the same thing, it does the same thing. Anyways, it's gonna be a different color. It's gonna look so good. We just started having some dinner. I made a super quick tuna salad. What's up?
Hi everybody, Michael's having lunch too.
Okay, tell me again.
Hi everyone, say hi everyone, I'm having lunch.
Oh, hi everybody, I'm having lunch too. Yeah, you're eating a lot of your food. Adam's here wrecking this indestructible book. These are awesome. If you have little babies, they can try and rip them, scrunch them up, bite them, nothing happens to them. They're awesome. I got them at Barnes & Noble. You can get them on Amazon too. They're super cheap, maybe like $4 or $5. I don't really ever make tuna salad, but I made some tuna, mayonnaise, corn, and then also some everything but the bagel seasoning. And then I put them on tostadas. Mine has tapatio on it because, you know, # Mexican. And then we're having some dill pickles. These are super good. I get these at Aldi, and Michael is a huge fan. Anyways, it's getting a little cray over here. This is like their witching. Is it called witching hour or twitching hour? Twitching hour, I think it's called. Adam goes crazy. Michael goes crazy. There's a lot to do. So we're gonna go ahead and call this video. We're gonna call it a night now. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with us for these past 2 days. We had lots of fun, and yeah. Anyways, let's go ahead and say bye to everybody. Bye.
Bye.
Ready to say bye? Bye bye.